Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to add a payment method in Shopify. So let's jump in. On the left hand side you will see settings on the bottom of your page, and you want to tap on this, and from here you want to go and locate payments. Now this is where you will manage all of your payment options that your customers have to make a payment to you in your store. So right at the top over here you can see it says choose a provider, and then right at the bottom it says supported payment methods. Now your best option is to go ahead and tap on add payment method. So right from here, you can see that there is a search bar, and you can either search by payment method or you can search by provider. Now, if you have a specific provider in mind, this is the option that you will choose. But if you have a specific payment method in mind, you will choose this. Let's go ahead and type in Visa. Just out of interest sake, we're going to go ahead and select this one over here. And what you can actually do is you can go and type in multiples, and you can go ahead and select multiples. So now we've got Visa and MasterCard selected, and what will appear here is the providers that offer these payment methods. Now these are some of the things that you need to consider before choosing a payment provider. Now you've got to understand that not all payment providers will be available in every single country, as well as the transaction between your country or the country that your store is located in and the country that the payment method is coming from. Okay, so over here, for example, you can see there is split it, and once you go into any one of these, it'll give you the option to install their add-on or their app. Okay, now once you install their add-on or their app, you will have to have an account with them, of course, and then you will go ahead and you will connect your two accounts. The other thing that needs to be considered is every one of these payment providers setup is slightly different. The idea is the same, but their setup is slightly different, so you need to just go through that individual process of connecting these two together. Once you've done that, you can go ahead out of here and you will be able to see all of your payment methods underneath the supported payment methods. They will all be listed over here, and then your customers have more ways to pay you money when buying your products. If this video was helpful, you can go ahead and drop us a like, and we'll see you next time.